Hello everyone, I'm Noel Orong, Mr. Wing Bian. So, by the way guys, I'm going to introduce myself. As I said, I'm Noel Orong, and my last video that uploaded in my channel. So by the way guys, this is my favorite vegetables, wing beans. It is called sigarilyas in Philippines or in Tagalog, and it is called carabansos in Bisaya. In Regine and Mindanao. So it is called scarabansos in our uh, vernacular language. By the way, guys, to all my viewers and subscribers from the different countries, to all my viewers, my top fans, top locations like United States of America, United Kingdom, Canada, Indonesia, India, Qatar, and in the whole Asian countries. Welcome guys to all. Welcome to my blog. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are now watching in my video, so I invite you guys to don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are updated to my upload videos regarding my garden. So guys, today this is my special recipe that I'm going to show you and I want to share to you guys. So about the winged beans or sigarilyas. It is my special vegetables in my garden. Since 2018, I started to plant and love winged beans in my healthy diet every day. So this is the history of winged beans or MWB. So today guys, I'm going to show you my simple recipe using wing beans. So first, we're going to wash the wing beans so that the dirt and all the microbial will removes from the pads of the wing beans. So after that guys, you slice that you desired uh, size. Then we mix together our ingredients like eggs, crispy fry, and also I have here breadcrumbs, salt, and seasoning. So like that guys. So here our uh, ingredients, and the major ingredients is the wing beans and eggs. And also we have here available seasoning like Ajinomoto and magic syrup guys. So now guys, I'm going to add the one whole of eggs, then scrambled together the wing beans slice. So now guys, while we are going to heat the pans with oil, so this is my simple kitchen guys. So while preparing my foods, by the way guys, my foods our foods is the corn, white corn with rice guys. It is mixed so that healthy. And now guys, I'm going to start my cooking my special recipe wing beans. It is fried wing beans. So guys, watch and learn guys. And by the way guys, once again, don't forget guys to subscribe my YouTube channel guys and hit the notification bell so that you can learn my simple recipe every day that I'm going to show you in my channel guys. So you can plant more wing beans in your garden guys so that you can cook every day like this recipe guys. And don't forget guys to buy breadcrumbs and crispy fry in your kitchen guys, be available always every day so that your family can enjoy the yummy recipe of winged beans because it is the most favorite of my daughter Pearl. So every day or every another day, I cook winged beans or sigarilyas, guys, in our meals once a day, and depending for the availability of the fruits of winged beans. That's my beloved daughter who loves eating winged beans every day. So guys, check the winged beans benefits or nutrition packs so that next time you can plant also winged beans in your garden. So by the way guys, before we end our vlog today, I'm going to show you guys this is the simple recipe of winged beans. So once again, thank you so much for watching guys. God bless you. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe guys to my YouTube channel.